It's there. Hey guys, today we're stepping out of the man cave. The Grizzly is down. I have it in storage, so we're going to address that today. We're going to go get that fixed. I'm going to take y'all with me. Easy fix, not hard to do. And if you're having trouble starting your Grizzly, that relay could be the issue. Let's get on the road. It's like 100 degrees. Not really, at least that's what it's going to be feeling like, because it's almost straight up noon. And I'm going to a storage facility. It's all concrete and metal to work on the Grizzly. Have a ride. Here's what happens. Got her on. We are in neutral, or it can be in park. It's that part right there. I'm going to show you how you can still get your Grizzly to crank even if the starter relay is bad, until you can get a new one. First of all, make sure your Grizzly is on. If it's a cold start, check it, put your choke on. And right here, on this relay right here, these 2 points of contact, which are, as you can see, I've had to jump it off several times. Anyway, you pull back these little pieces of rubber. Got a lot of grease on there, electrical grease. You can use something to jump from here to there, whether it be a screwdriver. Now use a pair of pliers and just connect both. It's going to spark. Don't freak out. Once it cranks, pull it off. Stuck out in the bush, easy way to get it fired back up until you can get it home and fix it. So let's get that part on there. You would probably want to disconnect the battery. That would probably be a good thing. So anyway, here's a little keeper for that hot wire on your battery. You pull that off. You just pull this straight up out of there. The plug is a push depression. I'm going to use, you can use a screwdriver, but just push it on out, unplug it, set that aside. First, left loose, right tight. There we go. You want to keep these little bolts, so don't lose them. You're going to be making something up. Be another man cave episode, making your own bolt. Take off the other one. Darn it. Alright, and that's all it is to it. So, now we got our new relay. We're going to put it back together the way we took it apart. Then we'll put your hot on first. Alright. Put your starter wire on. Make sure he don't touch. Make sure you don't touch any metal, arc anything over. Oh boy. Snug them down. Alright. Got your metal parts out of the way. Don't forget your plug. Just like you pulled it out, should snap right on in. Alright. Alright. Let's make this a tent. On and neutral. Make sure get your hot wire that you don't have any metal. What the crap? That frightened me.